ready to find deeply discounted properties hiding in plain sight. We're diving into how real estate wholesalers can use Redfin to uncover hidden deals and maximize profits. First, head over to redfin.com, and in the search bar, enter the specific area you're targeting for wholesaling. Be as precise as possible, down to the neighborhood level. Now, the magic happens with filters. Click on the Filters button. This is where you'll refine your search to pinpoint potential wholesale opportunities. Set your price range to the lower end of the market. Look for property types that are common for wholesaling, like single-family homes or townhouses. Critically, increase the days on market. Filter properties sitting longer may indicate motivated sellers. Don't forget the keywords. Use terms like fixer, TLC, needs work, or handyman special to specifically target properties needing renovation. This is your bread and butter in wholesaling. Once you've applied your filters, browse the listings carefully. Look beyond the photos for descriptions that confirm the property's condition and potential for a quick sale. Pay close attention to the property history on each listing. Price drops are a major indicator of a motivated seller and a potential wholesale deal. Finally, Redfin provides direct access to the listing agent's contact information. Reach out quickly, express your interest, and be prepared to make a cash offer. Time is of the essence in wholesaling. And that's how you use Redfin to find incredible wholesale opportunities. Keep these tips in mind, stay consistent with your search, and watch your wholesale business thrive.